There's one daily habit, one thing you might be doing every single day that's silently, secretly shortening your life. And most people don't even realize it. This isn't scaremongering, it's a serious health warning you need to hear today. If you care about your future, your family, and your well being, stay with me. Because this one habit could be quietly stealing years from your life. That habit is sitting for too long. Yes, sitting. The simple act of staying seated for hours every day is causing more damage than many realize. You might be thinking, sitting? That sounds harmless. After all, we sit at work, at home, while eating, watching TV, or scrolling on our phones. It feels natural, safe, and even necessary in our modern lifestyle. But here's the harsh truth: prolonged sitting is silently shortening your life. Let me repeat this clearly. Prolonged sitting is silently shortening your life. Now, you might wonder how something as ordinary as sitting could be so dangerous. The answer lies in what happens inside your body when you stay seated for long stretches without moving. Your muscles become inactive, blood flow slows down, and your metabolism starts to slow. This creates a cascade of harmful effects that quietly build up over time. Sitting too much is linked to serious health risks, risks that don't always announce themselves with loud symptoms. They sneak up on you. They might only show up years down the line when it feels too late to fix the damage. First, sitting for hours on end can increase your risk of heart disease. When you sit, your blood circulation slows, making it harder for your heart to pump effectively. Your cholesterol levels can rise and your blood pressure may increase. Over time, this puts serious strain on your cardiovascular system, making heart attacks and strokes more likely. It's alarming to realize that something so common can put your heart at such risk. Second, long periods of sitting also disrupt your body's ability to manage blood sugar. This raises your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. The muscles that usually help your body absorb sugar aren't active enough when you sit for too long, causing your blood sugar levels to spike. Even if you eat healthily, this sedentary habit can undermine your body's natural balance. Third, sitting weakens your muscles and stiffens your joints. When you remain in the same position for hours, certain muscles weaken from lack of use, while others become tight and tense. This imbalance leads to poor posture, back pain, neck stiffness, and sometimes even chronic discomfort that limits your mobility. It's not just about feeling sore, it's about your body slowly losing its strength and flexibility. Fourth, sitting for too long has been linked to mental health challenges. Physical inactivity can lower the release of endorphins, the brain chemicals that help you feel happy and calm. Over time, this lack of movement may contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression. Your mind and body are deeply connected, and the way you move, or don't move, impacts both. You might be sitting as you watch this video right now. You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide face the same challenge every day. Our lives revolve around desks, screens, cars, and couches. It's easy to forget that our bodies weren't designed to stay still for so long. But here's the good news: it's never too late to start making changes. Small steps can make a huge difference. Understanding this silent danger is the first step toward protecting yourself and those you love. So, before you go on with your day, take a moment to think about how much you sit. How many hours do you spend without standing up or moving? Are you aware of how your body feels after these long sitting sessions? Do you notice stiffness, tiredness, or aches? Remember, this isn't about blaming yourself for feeling guilty. It's about gaining awareness and taking action with kindness to your body and patience with yourself. You're not alone, and millions are learning this truth alongside you. In the next part, I'll share simple, science backed ways to break free from the dangers of prolonged sitting. Because your health, your life, and your future are worth every small change you make today. 1. Set a timer to move every 30 minutes. Get up and stretch or walk around for a few minutes. Short breaks improve circulation and metabolism. One of the simplest and most effective ways to combat the harmful effects of sitting too long is to set a timer that reminds you to move every 30 minutes. This could be a phone alarm, a computer app, or even a smartwatch notification. The key is consistency. Your body needs regular reminders because when you're focused on work or entertainment, it's easy to forget how long you've been sitting. When the timer goes off, take just 2 to 3 minutes to stand up and move. You don't have to do anything intense. Just stand up, stretch your arms above your head, twist gently from side to side, or walk around your room or office. These small movements activate your muscles and stimulate blood flow. When you sit for long periods, blood circulation slows, which means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach your organs and muscles. Short breaks like these also help jumpstart your metabolism. Your body burns fewer calories when you're sitting still, but even a little movement can increase calorie burn and improve how your body processes sugar and fat. Over time, regularly standing and moving reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other health problems linked to prolonged sitting. Think of these breaks as small but powerful investments in your health. They don't take much time or effort, but they can add up to significant benefits in how you feel and how long you live. 2. Use a standing desk or alternate between sitting and standing. Standing burns more calories and helps blood flow. If you spend a lot of your day working at a desk, consider switching to a standing desk or one that can be adjusted between sitting and standing positions. Standing while you work may sound tiring at first, but it offers many health benefits that sitting simply can't provide. Standing helps increase your calorie burn. When you stand, your muscles have to work to keep you upright, which uses more energy than sitting. Over the course of a day, this extra calorie burn can add up, supporting weight management and overall metabolic health. Beyond burning more calories, standing also promotes better blood circulation. When you stand, your legs and feet engage muscles that help pump blood back up to your heart. This reduces the risk of blood pooling in your lower extremities, which can cause swelling and increase the chance of developing blood clots. Alternating between sitting and standing is the best approach. Aim to stand for about 15 to 30 minutes every hour. This balance allows your body to avoid the downsides of both prolonged sitting and standing. Remember to shift your weight, move your legs, and avoid locking your knees while standing to keep blood flowing smoothly. Investing in a standing desk or an adjustable workstation is an excellent way to take control of your daily movement and protect your long term health. 3. Add daily movement like walking, yoga, or light exercises. Movement strengthens muscles and boosts mood. Incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine is essential, not just for your body, but for your mind as well. Even if you have a busy schedule, finding time for simple activities like walking, yoga, or light exercises can make a big difference. Walking is one of the easiest and most accessible forms of exercise. Taking a brisk 20-minute walk each day helps strengthen your heart, improves circulation, and keeps your muscles active. Walking also encourages your brain to release endorphins, natural chemicals that elevate mood and reduce stress. Yoga combines gentle stretching with mindful breathing, which helps reduce muscle tension caused by prolonged sitting. It also improves flexibility and posture. Many people find yoga calming, which supports mental health by lowering anxiety and boosting relaxation. Light exercises like bodyweight squats, lunges, or stretches can be done anywhere, even at home or in the office. These movements help counteract muscle weakness caused by sitting, improve joint mobility, and increase energy levels. The key is consistency. You don't have to do intense workouts. Even modest daily movement is better than none. Small, regular activity not only strengthens your muscles, but also supports your mental well being, helping you feel more energized and positive throughout the day. 4. Pay attention to your posture. Sit straight with feet flat and shoulders relaxed. Adjust your workspace to support good posture. Good posture is more important than most people realize. Sitting correctly helps reduce strain on your muscles and joints, preventing pain and long term damage that can come from poor alignment. When you sit, make sure your back is straight and supported by the chair's backrest. Your feet should be flat on the floor, not dangling or tucked under the chair. Keep your knees at about a 90-degree angle, level with or slightly lower than your hips. Relax your shoulders and avoid hunching forward. Many people tend to lean toward their screens, which strains the neck and upper back muscles. Adjust your computer screen so it's at eye level so you don't have to tilt your head up or down. Setting up your workspace ergonomically makes a big difference. Use a chair that supports your lower back. Consider a footrest if your feet don't comfortably reach the floor. Position your keyboard and mouse so your elbows stay close to your body and wrists remain straight. By paying attention to your posture and adjusting your workspace, you help your body stay comfortable and avoid the aches and pains that come with poor habits. Over time, this protects your spine and supports your overall health. Take a moment to think about how many hours you sit each day. Do you take regular breaks or sit for long stretches without moving? How does your body feel after sitting too long? Stiff, tired, or sore? These are signs your body needs attention. Are you ready to make small changes? It doesn't have to be drastic. Just standing up more, stretching, or walking a little can make a big difference. You're not alone. Many people struggle with this every day. Share your experience in the comments. We're here to support each other. Remember, sitting too much is a silent killer. It's not about quitting your job, but moving more in simple ways to protect your health. To recap, sitting long increases risks of heart disease, diabetes, muscle and joint problems, and mental health issues. But you can fight back by moving regularly, standing, exercising, and improving your posture. Small changes add up and can save your life. You have the power to protect your health. Don't wait for symptoms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips that can make a big difference in your life. And if you know someone who needs to hear this message, please share the video with them. Together, we can help more people live healthier, longer lives. Your health journey starts with one small step, and you're not alone.